Okay guys, so apparently sinagot ng SM yung challenge about the 500 peso Noche Buena challenge. So they came up with their own package. So nakita ko kung anong laman. So tingnan natin. So dalawang klase yung Noche Buena packages nila. Merong isang may microwavable, tsaka itong isang naka-basket. So I wanted to look at this basket of worth 500 pesos. So you have one beef loaf, one Sunkist apple juice, isang lata fruit cocktail, may maliit na elbow macaroni package, meron kang Hunt's tomato sauce, meron kang Del Monte spaghetti sauce, and for dessert meron kang Chips Delight, and lastly you have a box of cookies. But judging by the contents of these, especially yung macaroni, pang 1 to 2 people lang to na family. Paano pag basketball team yung pamilya mo or mga 5 anak? Merry Christmas na lang sa mga bulsa.